Good morning friends. Today we will learn how to go ahead and clean unwanted temporary files in your system. It can be your personal computer, it can be your office laptop. So how can we go ahead and remove these temporary files? I'll tell you today. So what are these temporary files? First of all, whenever we go online and work on any program, or whenever we go ahead and run any application in our system, certain unwanted temporary files are stored at some locations which just take up the space on our system. So today we want to go ahead and remove these unwanted files so that the system space remains free for all the wanted things that you want to do. So first of all, what we will do here is we'll go to the start button. We'll type run here. Once you will type run, you will see the run program on the top of the screen. Just select this and a small box would appear like this on your system, and here we have to open up certain folders from where we can go ahead and delete these unwanted temporary files, where these unwanted temporary files are stored. So first of all, we'll go ahead and type temp here and we'll click OK. So we can see there are a lot of files that have opened up that are unwanted and they are not required by the system. So we'll go ahead and select all of these files. So click anywhere on any folder, just single click, and then press and hold the control key, the CTRL key. Press and hold it with one hand, and with the other hand go ahead and press the A as in alpha key. So right now what I am doing is I'm holding the CTRL, the control key, and with the other hand I will just press the A as in alpha key, and we'll see that all of these will be selected. Now we have to permanently delete them, and we don't want them to go to our recycle bin. So what we will do is we will go ahead and now press and hold the shift key, which is just above the CTRL key. We'll just press the shift key, and with the other hand we'll go ahead and press the delete key. So what I am doing right now is I'm holding down the shift key, and with the other hand I am pressing the delete key, and once I'll press the delete key, you can see that it will show me, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 62 items? I'll click yes, and some of them would be deleted, while the others you can find it that the action cannot be completed because folder or file in it is open in other program. So for these you can just select skip, but before pressing this skip, please make sure that you have selected this option. Do this for all the current items. So what I am right now doing is I am just selecting this option for all the items that are being used by some other folder, or that are used by some other program, so they will not be get deleted. I will just press skip now, and it is again saying that you will need to provide an administrative permission to delete this file. So I will click continue for this, and they will go ahead and delete. Now again it has popped up saying that there are certain files that are open in Microsoft Network Inspection. So once again I will select do this for all current items and press skip here. So we can see that now we have only few files left which are being used by some other program. So we have now cleaned up our temp folder. Now we will go ahead and delete delete files from another unwanted folder that is called as %temp%. So I'll again go to this run function, and then I'll click on run. A small box will appear. Now here I will type %. Now this symbol is available on the numeral 5 key, the numeral 5 key. So you have to hold down the shift key and then press the numeral 5 key, and this option would come up. Now %temp%, just select OK, and you can see now again certain files have opened up, and we need to just again perform the same function, pressing and holding down the CTRL key, and then just press the A key, and then press and hold the shift key, and then just press the delete key and hit yes, and then skip these, and we can see that now everything has been cleaned up from here as well. Now just to make sure that there is nothing in your recycle bin, what we will do is we'll go to your recycle bin. Here it is, and we'll just right click on this. Once you will right click, you can see that there are certain options. I'm getting empty recycle bin, create shortcut. So just select empty recycle bin and hit yes. And then what would happen is the recycle bin, if there would be any unwanted thing in the recycle bin, that will also be deleted. So that's all, my friend, that we need to go ahead and do to go ahead and delete the temporary files from the system. It will just make your system to boot up fast, and will also increase the speed of your CPU. Thank you.